Hey guys, I'm Kushu. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So today's video is something that you already know by the title. So it is to buy or not to buy. It can be a product, it can be a service. So I'm just gonna share my reviews and tell you if you should buy that or not. So I have so many random things in here. I think I have around 13. Yes, I've literally written everything down so I don't miss out on anything. So I'm going to start with a fashion piece because there's only one and I'm gonna get through that first and then start with the random, which contains makeup, some hair care and a lot of skincare. So let's begin. So the first product I have here is this beautiful sari from Myntra. So Myntra had this end of the season sale recently and I got this then. After a lot of research, I found this sari online in Myntra. This has ruffles. I am going to insert a picture over here. So this is how it looked in Myntra's website and this is how it looks as I got. So this was for 4,499 as it quoted and I got it for 2,125 after the discount. I'll be honest with you, by looks it looks perfect. I mean, as I saw in the picture and reality, it looks the same, the print and stuff, but I'm really disappointed with the quality of the fabric. So I'm paying around 2,000 bucks and I don't want this sort of a crepe or material in my sari, and I feel it looks a little cheap fabric-ish. So yeah, I have kept it, but then because I really like the sari, I mean the print and stuff, so I'm gonna do something to this because it has ruffles and stuff. So yeah, not to buy. Coming to random things, so the second product I have here is a cleansing pad from Forever 21. I got it for $199. Let me tell you, this is gonna sort your life like crazily. I got it I think 1 week back and I've been using it since then. Do not overdo it. I use it once a day, not every time you cleanse your face. But I really love the bristles. They are super soft. Like you see the silicone and they're so good. It takes the gunk out of your pores and I feel super clean after a normal face wash. Definitely to buy. So third product in my list is this shampoo. It's a Wow apple cider vinegar shampoo. This has no parabens, no sulfates and no silicone and salt. I got this 300 ml bottle for just 300 rupees from Amazon and I saw around 6,000 reviews, guys. Honestly, 6,000 reviews for a product and all of them are like 80% of them are like 5 stars. And I really wanted to try this because for any sort of a hair, if you want a good healthy hair, you should stop using products have parabens and sulfates and silicone, and this doesn't have it. And I'm looking for a new shampoo. I wanted to shift and I got this I think 2 weeks back and I tried this almost like 3 times now. Honestly, I'm loving it. It's a to buy. So next product in my list is clindamycin phosphate gel. So this one here is suggested by my dermatologist for acne purposes. This one over here helped me so much in clearing my pimples. It just takes a day. So you gotta use this every day, morning and in the evening. And you gotta apply it. It's kind of a spot treatment. It does wonders. So definitely to buy. So there are so many to buys happening. So let's talk about not to buys as well. So talking about not to buy, the next product is definitely a not to buy. So the next product I have here is Mamaearth Day Cream. So I know there's so much hype going on with Mamaearth products. I personally like few of them. Few of them really work for me and few of them didn't. So for me, this didn't really work out. You can see the package as well. It's completely washed off. I don't really know if it's a day cream or a night cream. This one over here literally gave me so many whiteheads and blackheads. This has very thick consistency. And as I apply, I don't know, in my forehead and around my nose and over here. So I used to get so much of whiteheads and used to think why all of a sudden I have so many whiteheads and blackheads. As I use any kind of a charcoal, they used to go and then come back because of this. And as I stopped using this, they're all gone, vanished completely out of my life. So yep, definitely not to buy. So the next product I have here is from Mamaearth again. It's an Upton face mask. This has saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. This has really worked on my skin. This kind of reduced all the dark pigmentation I have around my lips and a little bit of acne marks. This has reduced that, so it's a to buy. The last skincare product I have here is Adapalene Gel. So this one is again from my dermatologist. She recommended me this one. This is also for removing all the patches that you have on your skin, dark spots and all that. This actually works great on my skin. You have to apply a pea-sized amount only at night, and this really did wonders. I've been using this since 6 months plus. I think it's been 1 year I've been using this, and this one cleared my skin really well. So definitely to buy. So the next I have completely random products. So the first product in the list is this USB connector for Mac. This is from the brand Lenshin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct. So this has this cable and this goes into my Apple socket, and here are the USBs and the card reader stuff. So basically I got this one with the laptop itself. I bought it together with that. There are two types of these things. So one has the connector over here itself, so there's no long wire and it just connects to the laptop, stays with the laptop. The other one is this. So I think I made a mistake taking a longer wire. So I generally thought we can use it keeping it somewhere else and it'll be flexible, but I am super wrong. I am hating this product just because of the super long wire. As I'm using laptop, this thing keeps doing this and I hate it to the core. So if you ask me not to buy this, I would definitely recommend you to buy the other one, which has the connector over here. So we're just talking about the whiteheads and blackheads, so I thought it's a good time to show this product to you guys. So this one over here is blackheads and whiteheads extracting tool. So this works wonders. I mean, if you don't know how to use this and how this works, you should watch videos on YouTube that says removing blackheads and whiteheads. They use this tool. It's so good. I mean, I can't really say how much. I don't remember where I got this from. You can get it from Amazon or anywhere. It's a good damn product, so definitely to buy. Next one in my list is a bag from Lovey. So this one I got 6 months back. To my surprise, this thing broke the same day. So you see here, this literally broke, and this used to come out. So why I'm telling you now is I asked my dad to fix this and he kind of fixed it for me. He put a nail into this gold thing and then put it back. So as you can see, there's no hole over here and a hole here because my dad has done this amazing work. Now this is perfect. I can use this. But if you are choosing something of this sort and looks really nice because it is gold, it has chain detailing and it looks so pretty, I would suggest not to buy because this actually goes off, and I got it like 6 months back and I didn't use once. Now that my dad has fixed it, I'm using it, or else I would have thrown it long back. So yep, definitely a not to buy. So let's end this video in a good note. So last product in my list is this Calabar nail polish remover. So this is I don't know what this is called, but this has sponge inside it and you gotta put your finger and it takes off the nail polish, I think in 5 seconds, like literally. I felt this is the easiest process. I mean, you're not wasting cotton. You don't really need a separate bottle of nail polish remover and use that into a cotton swab and do all that dirty work. This one does the work in 5 seconds and the general method takes around 15 minutes. So definitely to buy. So with this, I'm gonna end this video right here. I know it became a super long video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click on that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.